now. He almost got me. Assalamu alaikum.
These guys unstrapped, and we're gonna put the ones on the right and go to the right, left.
We're getting the sailboat ready. Well, I'm not doing anything yet, but Craig is.
Sam, I mean, you could do something if you wanted to.
I'm ready. My life support in case we go down.
I got this outfit she's wearing. She's got Uggs, skin tight yoga pants, swimsuit,
jacket. I got beanie in there. You never know what we're gonna run into today.
She's a multi-climate approach is what that is.
I'm a walking contradiction. Jack's got us. He better not leave me because I don't know how to drive. What do you think so far, Jack?
We're gonna sail, that's for sure.
Perfect day to sail, guys. Perfect day. There, he's bringing me back.
I'm on! We're on, Bye!
Hi!
So I think I'm gonna try to launch the drone from like right here today. Right here. I think it just fly off. It's gonna fly off right here. I got the pink thing charging up the GoPro while I'm talking to you. Then it can do that. See, look at her. See this? I got it. And my GoPro. Extra juice. Hope you can see that in her sunglasses.
That's Craig.
Our second time. You guys look much more efficient than we did.
Yeah. Y'all look much more professional. We're a rookie crew, you know.
Guys, we're sailing. Perfect day. Put your life jacket on and get up there.
I'll put my life jacket on, guarantee it. Alright, so we've been sailing. We had to take the jib down because it got scary. We almost tipped this whirly bird. This captain over here, he was borderline, almost fired him. Had to fire him.
Hi! You need to video us tipping because I don't.
Making it through. Funky wave! Woohoo! Dolphin cruise. We told them we didn't see any dolphins over there. Turn around. We're going over to the boardwalk, Pensacola Beach. And we're gonna eat flounders.
A fish just jumped right.
We're gonna eat right there. We're docking right here. It's been so windy. Look how windy it is. See the white caps? Looks like a sailor with that.
Do I?
She looks like a sailor with bumpers.
They're ready to bump us.
They got their bumpers, they're ready.
We're picking a new spot to dock off because the waves are so strong that we'll keep hitting the dock over and over. Take two.
Take two! Rough it is. Look how rough. New parking spot. New parking spot. Hey Greg, you want to go to the other place?
Yeah, we're going to Peg Leg.
Wait.
Change of plans. We're going to the other side of the bridge now because we can't anchor up anywhere here.
Too rough. I went under just to take a nap. Dixie got us under the bridge.
You need to pull where the channels are.
Pull where the channels are? What do you mean?
So we know where to go.
give Dixie props. It's getting super rough and windy.
Yeah. Yeah. Take us away.
Pelicans are everywhere. It's a feeding frenzy.
Yeah.
It's redfish. Film it, film it.
Film it, okay.
Big ass fish. What the hell was that thing? It was this thing just made this water.
Come on, get that line. Take them all out. Just bring them all. We'll untangle them out here.
Oh, those are dolphins too. Look at these things hitting these.
Fish everywhere. Coming. They're turning right here.
Ah!
Oh wow, look at that redfish that guy brought in. Babe, throw it. Put your life vest on.
Jack, do you need your life vest?
Yeah, bro.
Those people right there, they just caught a redfish. Hurry, throw it.
He's gonna hook himself.
You got a bite? Oh!
Oh, shit.
Oh, you get one?
Hey, look inside that fish. Woo, good job!
Woo!
One on the boat.
He's putting it back on the water. Where? Oh shit. Babe, you are failing.
What are you? Here, put your. I can't see me.
Baby,
I just don't know how to cast on this sailboat.
just cast normal. Yeah.
You have to stand up.
Just throw it.
I can't because it'll go on this side of the boat and get in the top.
There we go. Bad captain. He's tipping us. Look how close we are to the
Jeez,
boat.
angle over, man.
I'm not wearing my PFD, okay?
I couldn't throw it because of the cables.
You.
That was wild. There's a big school of redfish right over there. And I couldn't cast because these cables.
You ever fished with a sailboat before there, Jack?
Never fished from a sailboat. I should have just fished from right here. But you can still see them over there. Got a bite, went under the boat.
Some guy caught a huge bull rat.
Another guy caught a big redfish. It was crazy. Close but no cigar. There's, oh, there it is. Right there. He's like right underneath the boat. She's right there. There they are.
Oh, man. Thanks, though.
Oh, look, two of them.
That one went under the boat.
Went right under the boat. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? I guess they're gone. It got really rough out there. Had to put on a vest, chasing those redfish. So this is the line I kept getting tangled up on trying to cast. And I couldn't throw because of this one either. So I was having to like pitch it, and my line was all tangled up. They were literally like all in front of the boat. They were all in front of the boat. Those guys caught like 2 or 3 while we were sitting there. But it was so rough with the sail. I was lucky not to fall off. I was holding on to that for dear life. Hold on.